Create a shared calendar one. Welcome to M365 Professional. A shared calendar can help you quickly see when people are available for meetings or other events. Let's look at how to create one. In Outlook, select your calendar. Above your list of calendars, select Add Calendar. Then Add from Directory. Select your account from the drop-down menu. Enter the name of the first person you want to add to your calendar and choose them. Use the Add to drop-down to select the calendar you want to add them to. Then select Add. Repeat for any additional people you want to add to your calendar. When you're done, close the Add Calendar window. The selected calendars are now color-coded and included on your calendar. To view the calendar side by side, choose the day, work week, or week view. And verify. The split view option is selected. To check your group's availability, use the day view. Now we can see when everyone is free. Others in your business can repeat these steps to see your calendar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.